Assistec presents Robofeed S series. Robot cell for loading, unloading stackable pieces. No need for safety gates and barriers thanks to the laser scanner. Spaces required for automation reduced to a minimum. Use of a stocker-based warehouse for processed goods. Storage of pieces up to 16 adjustable pallets. Automated pallet rotation system. Fanuc robot with load capacity up to 25 kilograms. High autonomy thanks to the large load capacity. Loading and unloading of pieces without downtime. Maximum feed rate of machine tool. Operator protection with safety photocells. Easy to program using touch pendant and custom software from Assistec. Custom mobile app for monitoring machine data. Wide range of customization options. Available in a number of versions depending on the number of pallets, the size of the piece and the robot used. Industry 4.0 Robofeed S series.